Anxiety feels impossible, like your brain is stuck on doom mode and every little thing feels like a total catastrophe. But what if I told you? It's actually easier to fix than you think. Stanford researchers say anxiety is basically just a glitch in your brain's threat system. And the good news is, you can reboot it. Here are 5 simple science-backed steps to help you reset your brain and calm your anxiety. Step 1. The 4-4-6 breath. This is your emergency reset button. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, then exhale slowly for 6. That right there reduces cortisol levels by up to 37% in just 2 minutes. Pro tip: pair your breathing with a silly mantra like, "I'm a Zen potato," or "Stress is canceled." Your brain will get confused and relax. Step 2. The 10-minute worry dump. Write down every anxious thought, fear, or wild what if for 10 minutes. No filter. Just write. Then, tear it up, shred it, or throw it out with flair. This simple habit helps reduce overthinking by more than 60%. I once wrote, "I'm scared pigeons are secretly plotting against me. Still not convinced they're not." Step 3. Reframe the fear. When anxiety hits, tell your brain, "I'm not scared, I'm excited." It works. Harvard found that anxiety and excitement both use the same chemical, adrenaline. You're not trying to shut it off. You're just redirecting the signal. Now add a superhero pose. Stand tall, chest out, hands on your hips. Instant confidence. Step 4. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you can see. 4 you can hear. 3 you can feel. 2 you can smell. 1 you can taste. It's like CPR for your anxious brain, snapping you back to the present. Bonus trick: suck on a warhead or any sour candy. That face-puckering hit? It forces your brain to reset. Step 5. Fake laugh. Yes, seriously. Laugh out loud for 30 seconds, even if it feels forced or totally ridiculous. Your brain doesn't know the difference between fake and real laughter. Either way, it releases dopamine and endorphins, your natural chill-out chemicals. And hey, you'll probably start laughing for real anyway, because let's be honest, you sound hilarious. Now here's the deal. Don't do all 5 today. Just pick one. Try it. See what happens. If it works, comment, "Step 1 worked," or 2 or 3. You get the idea. If it flops, I'll roast you, but gently. You can also download the free anxiety cheat sheet below for more tools. And if you're into hacks that actually help, hit that subscribe. You're not broken. Your brain is just buffering. Now go be a Zen potato.